Hi students, that is mathematics 10 plus 1 class. We proceeding to binomial theorems. We are taking exercise 8.1. Also today's we are taking question number 10. Using binomial theorem, tell me which is the larger number, 1.1 raised to power 10,000 and 1000. Tell me which is greater number. So students, look here. 1.1 can be write down 1 plus 0.1 raised to power 10,000. We show the binomially. We get 1a plus b raised to power n equal to NCR, a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power r. So we are taking a as 1 and b as 0.1 and n we are taking 10,000. So 10,000 and c is 0, a raised to power and sigma also here r0 to n. NC0 and a raised to power 1 raised to power 10,000 and 0.1 power, that is 0, plus 10,000 C1 1 raised to power 10,000 minus 1 and 0.1 raised to power 1 plus containing terms. So we solution that 10,000 C0, that is 1 and 1 raised to power something, that is also 1 and 0, that is equal to 1. And in this here that is 10,000 into 1 upon 10 plus containing terms. So 0 cancelled out, add with 10,000 we get 1,001 plus containing terms. So look here, we already get 1001 and second term is 1,000. So 1.1 raised to power 10,000 is larger than 1,000. That is question number 10. Students, look here, in this question we given that 1.1 raised to 10,000 or 1,000. We simplify by binomial theorems, which is terms we get 101, 001, that is 1,001. 1,001 be the greater than 1,000. So we decided to first term be the larger term than the second terms. So we are taking question number 11. Question number 11. A plus b raised to power n minus a minus b raised to power n. Solve this question and apply in root 3 up plus root 2 raised to power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 raised to power 4. We solve this questions. First we apply in binomial theorem, we get a plus b raised to power n. It means raised to power 4 be the given here, not n, 4. It means a apply binomial theorem using binomial theorems. We get a raised to power 4 plus 4a3b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab3 plus b raised to power 4. And also we get a minus b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4 minus 4a raised to power 3b plus 6a square b square minus 4ab raised to power 3 or plus b raised to power 4. We change the sign, we get a raised to power 4 plus 4a3b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b3 plus b4 minus a raised to power 4 plus 4a cube b minus 6a square b square plus 4a b raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 4. So we cancel that. A raised to power 4 will be cancelled out. Also 6a square b square also cancelled out, and b raised to power 4 also cancelled out. We get 4 plus 4 8 a raised to power 3 b and 8 a b raised to power 3. These are two terms, or we find out 8ab common, a square plus b square. So students, look here. We get a plus b raised to power 4 minus a minus b raised to power 4 becomes equal to 8ab a square plus b square. We get an answer. Apply, we put a equal to root 3 and b equal to root 2. We get 8, a becomes root 3, b becomes root 2, root 3 squares or root 2 squares. So after simplification we get 8 root 6 into 3 plus 2, that is 40 root 6. We get an answer. So students, try these questions carefully, apply the binomial theorem, you get some results. At last we given some homework. You try to question number 12, question number 13, question number 14. If any problems, you contact me. That is my today's class. Thanks a lot.